What if a record heat wave and a roaring solar storm fried every phone on Earth right before date night? Quick answer: you'd sweat buckets, satellites would faint, and your dating app would turn into fondue. Let's measure the cosmic oven first, because science loves numbers bigger than your student debt. Recent heat domes touch 50 degrees Celsius, hot enough to soften asphalt and your pocket battery. Meanwhile, a severe G5 space weather storm hurls charged particles at 800 kilometers per second. That drifting plasma can induce currents strong enough to toast transformers like campfire marshmallows. Phone towers rely on those transformers. Goodbye signal bars, hello awkward silence. But lithium phones also hate heat. At 60 degrees Celsius, they swell like angry burritos and short circuit. In short, both Skyfire and Streetfire team up, yanking the plug on your love life. So, hero, stripped of swipes, you must attempt the analog quest, the legendary face-to-face hello. Relax. Humans dated perfectly well for 200,000 years without blue ticks. Quick math. Nearly 8 billion humans, yet exactly 0 needed push notifications to flirt in 1980. But can analog still win today? Or will sweaty reality ruin romance faster than you can say sunscreen? Step 1. Meet cute logistics. Walk before noon, because pavement becomes a waffle iron later. According to asphalt failure tables, a 65 degrees Celsius surface burns skin in 2 seconds. So parks empty, cafes kill the freezers to save the grid, and ice cream turns existential soup. That leaves the library, a climate-controlled ark with paper books that never buffer. Suddenly, whispering through shelves becomes the new super-like gesture. Yet good news rarely travels alone. Bad news arrives as humidity hair and board games missing dice. Next, the blinking power grid kills the AC. Conversation turns into a sweaty endurance sport. Scientists call it thermal discomfort. Daters call it melted mascara war paint. Modeling dropout rate. Every 1 degree Celsius above 24 cuts outdoor mingling by 5%. If the heat wave hits 48 degrees Celsius, socializing drops by roughly 120%, which is impossible, unless you count hermit crabs. Meanwhile, in orbit, satellites misbehave like spinning fidget toys, and navigation disappears. Couples try to stargaze, but auroras blaze so bright, they drown the stars. Geomagnetic noise even creeps into guitar pickups, so serenades sound like robotic dolphins. Deep in a server farm, matchmaking algorithms reboot and accidentally ship you 3 copies of your ex. Tiny glitch. They can't deliver because postal drones are suffering magnetic cramps. Our hero improvises, draws a paper profile, folds it into a plane and launches it across the aisle. Success. The target smiles and scribbles their landline. Yes, landline, number on the wing. Next trial, find a phone booth before the heat melts the plastic receiver. Stats alert. There are fewer phone booths worldwide than breeding pandas. But probability bows to persistence. The hero dials, suggests coffee, and miracle, the cafe generator whirs to life. Conversation flows slower, deeper, no notification tug of war. Just sweaty honesty. Could cosmic chaos fix dating? Maybe, until sunburn meets mosquito season. Moral: don't wait for sky tantrums. Put the phone down and say hello before the universe yanks the charger. A lonely smartphone sunbathes on a windowsill, wearing tiny sunglasses.